Hello everyone and welcome back to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students that create learning activities for kids. Our activities focus on reading, writing, and math. My name is Liz Marie and today we're going to learn about some questions that we can ask to better understand a story. And we're also going to be making a cute little octopus. So let's get started. Today we are going to learn about some questions to help us understand a story. So to better understand a story, we can ask specific questions, like who. For example, this refers to the people that the story is about, in other words, the characters. What is about what the story is about? Do the characters face any problems, etc.? Why does this happen in the story? Like, why does the problem occur in the story? Where means, where does the story take place? Is it in a house or a park? It refers to a place. When does everything happen in the story? Is it in the morning, in winter, in a specific time, etc.? Now that we know this, let's read a short story. Today we're going to read Rosie and the Kitten. Rosie wanted a kitten more than anything in the world. For months, she had dreamed of the day that she and her parents would go to the pound and adopt her brand new pet. But Rosie's mother insisted they wait until Rosie's birthday, which was still 2 months away. Rosie thought of kittens all day. She hoped hers would have blue eyes, fluffy fur, and a happy purr that Rosie would feel through her shirt when the kitten curled up on her chest. Walking home from school one day, she passed a neighbor's house and noticed a big cardboard box on the porch. Curious, she ventured closer and saw her neighbor, Mrs. Spencer, lifting a fluffy kitten from the box. The words "Free Kittens" were written across the side of the box in big black letters. Mrs. Spencer saw Rosie eyeing the box and waved to her to come closer. "Your name is Rosie, isn't it? You live down the block." Rosie nodded and held her arms out for the kitten Mrs. Spencer was handing her to hold. It had blue eyes and its fur was as soft as Rosie had dreamed it would be. "Would you like to adopt that kitten?" asked Mrs. Spencer, smiling kindly before she knew what she was saying. Rosie blurted out, "Yes." "Is it all right with your parents?" "It's fine. We've been planning to get a kitten for months." Though it wasn't the whole truth, Rosie couldn't help herself. She let Mrs. Spencer put the kitten into a little box and her can of food and send her on her way. Now that we read our story, take out your materials because we will be creating a hands-on activity. So for today's activity, you're going to need some cupcake liners, scissors, a glue stick, a marker, something to write with, a ruler, and some construction paper. Since we'll be cutting with this activity, please perform it with the help of an adult. First thing, we're going to draw 8 strips of construction paper. I am using a ruler, but you can do it freehand. I am doing them about 6 inches long, and repeat this process until you have 8 of them, and then just cut them out. After you're done cutting your strips of paper, we are going to write and answer some questions in 4 of the 8 strips. First, we're going to write, "Why did Rosie lie?" Rosie lied because she really wanted a kitty. Then we're going to write, "Where did Rosie find the kittens?" She found the kittens in a box. Who wanted a kitty? Obviously, Rosie wanted a kitty. Who gave Rosie a kitten? Mrs. Spencer gave Rosie a kitten. Now we are going to curl the ends of our strips. I am using a pencil as so, and you're going to repeat this process with all of the strips. Now you're going to grab your strips, and the part that you did not curl with a pencil, you are going to fold it as such, so you can glue them to the cupcake liner and they stand out. Now remember to use a glue stick, because if we use the other glue, it's going to wet the cupcake liner. And you're going to repeat the process until all 8 strips are glued. So after you're done gluing your strips, it should look something like this. Remember to use your glue stick. And now you're just going to grab a marker and draw some eyes and a smiley face on your octopus, like this. And now we're done. Your octopus should look something like this. Now remember that today we learned how to ask some questions to better understand the stories that we read. And we also learned how to make a really cute octopus. You did a great job today. That is all for today. Thank you for joining us to learn. We hope you come back soon to learn some more. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And until next time.